Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen the multiple use of useEffect hook, and we have seen that how we can replace the class component lifecycle methods with the help of useEffect in functional component. Now in this video we are going to learn how we can fetch information from the server like get request or REST API get request from the server by using useEffect method. You see, the earlier example we have did by using class component, and in class component we use this componentDidMount function, lifecycle function, and we just call this reactjs library and then we display this information by using class component, and that look like this. So same kind of information we want to fetch with some more modification by using useEffect. This is class component right now, but I'm going to replace it with the functional component using useEffect. So how we can do this, that is the purpose of this video. So here I'm using here this class component. In place of this I will use functional component. So here I say fetch get request .jsx. Here I just import and I say sfc functional component, and I give here name fetch get request like this, and I convert this to useEffect and use state like this. Remember? So one thing we done. Second thing that we are using here is state variable. So in place of a state variable we are going to use the useState array. So here I say const, here I say users, set users, and here I use useState, and here I pass the array, empty array. Like this we use it. The same functionality which we have here we have achieved by using useState, and we have this variable. Now we have componentDidMount. Remember componentDidMount, and we need this reactjs also. So we import reactjs first. Import reactjs here, no problem. Then we use useEffect method here, and in this method we pass this functional component, and here we use arrow function, and here we use conditional that only once we want to execute it. Remember that if I do this we are equivalent to componentDidMount. So componentDidMount is work because we want to execute it once. Now similar way I need to copy this code. I need to copy this code and paste here. It's very simple. In last video I have explained this properly. In this video I am not going to explain this. You can follow my last video. Here I am just replacing this class component to functional component and trying to use the useEffect to do the same thing which we did by using class component, componentDidMount. Now you see, when we want to display the information, so we have a return statement, and then in return statement we have this coding. So we just copy this div, we have this div here, we copy this div tag and go to this, and under again if you see we have a return statement, and here I paste and save it. You see, done this. In return statement we did this. Now here the code is set statement. Set state we used here, but here we do not have the set state in this useEffect, so we will use here set user function. So for that, what I do, I say set user here, and then we pass this information here, response.data, like this we are passing here. You see, save this. So we have the data here in this set user, and we did all these things. I think we did this. Now in this we have used this get axios, so we have to use here fetch request like this, and we have to remove this get request. Save this. And users is assigned but never used, so we see this user here. So for users we should have here like this, we have this user here, we do not have a state variable here, so we use user here, and in user we did the whole thing, we did this. Now we try to see this, the same output we have. You see, same output, nothing is changed here, we have the same output because we used here the functional component, this one. So we are not using get now, we are using this fetch request get request, that is functional component. So with the help of useEffect we achieve the similar functionality that we achieved by using class component. Remember that we are doing this. Now more modification we can do in this application, like we can type here we can insert here one text box, and whatever the name we put, and only those information should come here. For that we will see in the next video. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.